So this is how the car runs when we actually get started on it. I threw some ATF down the cylinders and try steam cleaning the engine with spraying a mist of water into the intake. But it's apparently I believe it's missing on cylinder number 4. And it's no blow-by whatsoever. You see the oil cap is open. Nothing. All this smoke you see here is from the exhaust leak and burning off from the turbo because I threw ATF in it, and that ATF of course gets sucked down to the exhaust system, will smoke for a while. So you can clearly hear that it's clearly missing. Check engine lights, it's actually getting up to operating temperature. Disconnect the MAF and let it run like open like that. The turbo seems to be working fine. It's blowing a lot of air. I'm guessing if I reconnect that injector, that won't do anything. I can't really steam clean an engine if it's not firing, so that makes sense. It's smoking less and less from the exhaust. I'm not sure if this exhaust is original. It sounds so dark. Very throaty. I don't know. Haven't measured the exhaust size though. Yeah, almost up. Does it have the open SID? Nope. Yeah, power steering works at least. Does this work? Oh yeah, that works like a charm. Oh wow. It's a light strip on the dashboard even. Wow. Haven't seen that. Well, it's even through there. Haven't seen that before. Alright. Not blowing the... Oh yeah, it's blowing hot. It's blowing hot. Never mind. Oh, almost no smoke now. Let's see how it starts up now. That's interesting. Now it sounds like it has a compression all 4. Alright. Let me try connecting back that injector. See here. It's hard to get back in there. There we go. Oh. Okay. That was running all 4. What the heck? Maybe that steam cleaning actually worked. Well, it's definitely an exhaust leak on it. That I can hear. Okay. Definitely a bit smoky. Oh, that's black smoke. That's no worries. That's only from the car running rich. Wow. Okay. I guess reconnect everything and try again. Let me try that.